Welcome, thrill seekers and nature lovers. Get ready for a front row seat to some of the rarest, most spectacular moments ever captured on
I am
film.
too
From the
close.
depths
All
of
right.
the ocean to the heart of the wilderness, we've got footage that will leave you speechless. Prepare to witness the incredible. This looks like something out of a disaster movie, but it's real life in Hawaii. In 2018, they had almost 3,000 earthquakes in less than 3 weeks. Can you imagine? That's a whole lot of shaking going on, and it led to some serious volcanic eruptions. Lava flowing, fires burning.
I am too close. All right. I mean, everybody else left. Watch out for cracks. Let's see. Oh my God.
They're probably racing pigeons, trained to fly back to their home loft. It's a pretty spectacular sight, seeing all those birds take off at once. Now that's what I call a clash of the titans. You've got molten rock, hotter than anything you can imagine, hitting the ocean and boom! Steam explosions, hissing, and a whole lot of drama. It's like a fireworks show, but way more intense.
Wow. It's like Friday night fireworks at the Angel game.
This diver gets up close and personal with an octopus. That's what I call a wild encounter. The ocean is full of surprises. This is SpaceX's Starship, and it's designed to be reusable. That means it can take off and land, which is a pretty big deal in the world of space travel. That's a full-grown bear strolling right onto their patio. This is a good reminder to always be aware of your surroundings, especially if you live in bear country.
Back order estimated to ship August 13th.
Oh my God!
What?
Look next to you.
What?
Look, come on, just come in. Come in. Come in.
Look at that tank roll right over that car. That's some serious horsepower right there. Talk about crushing the competition.
Ay, qué bonito se ve. Estoy enamorada del cielo. Yo creo mañana ya me voy para allá.
That's some serious airtime. Who needs a plane when you've got a boat like that? This person is getting up close and personal with the sea anemone. They're surprisingly soft and sticky, but be careful, some can sting. It's like an underwater flower. Nature is full of amazing designs. Check out this longboarder shredding down the mountain. Talk about living on the edge with an awesome view. That's some serious speed and balance. One wrong move and it's a wipeout, but he's carving that road like a pro. Check out this incredible experience. Swimming with hundreds of stingless golden jellyfish in the crystal clear waters of Sohoton Cove. This hidden gem in Bucas Grande, Philippines, is a natural wonder. You can only enter the cove during low tide through a partially submerged cave.
On. Water off the bench. Right above it. Right above it.
This skydiver is taking the ultimate leap of faith. Talk about an adrenaline rush with a breathtaking view. From thousands of feet up, that's one giant step for this thrill seeker.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick.
He's pulling off some serious planking skills in the middle of the supermarket.
Yeah.
Talk about a hair-raising experience. This student is getting a hands-on lesson in static electricity, literally. With a teacher like that, science class is anything but boring.
Sure. You can not speak them.
Check out this Black Hawk helicopter in action. These highly trained pilots are practicing their water drops, getting ready to battle wildfires. Precision and teamwork are key to protecting our forests. Talk about decking the halls. This house is lit up like a Christmas tree, times 1,000. I bet you can see this place from space. Someone's definitely got the holiday spirit. Talk about bringing the heat to the car show. That ain't your grandma's pickup truck, folks. That's a jet-powered fire-breathing monster. Look at those flames engulfing the Speed World sign. This is what happens when you mix classic cars with a whole lot of crazy.
Look at that. Holy moly. They're right for the dolphins here. They're dolphins, they're not porpoises. They're white-sided.
Check out that dolphin dash. These guys are making a run for it. Forget the Olympics, this is the real aquatic sprint. They're not just swimming, they're surviving. It's a reminder that even in the beautiful marine world, it's a dog-eat-dog.
Look at them. Look at them. Holy moly.
Seriously, though, let's hope they can get this fire under control before it turns into a real disaster. Renewable energy. Sometimes it's a gamble, folks. Seriously, though, this is an amazing sight. It makes you realize just how abundant our oceans can be, when we take care of them. Now, who's up for some sushi? This is like extreme arts and crafts. Look at them pouring that molten metal into those sand molds. It's like watching liquid gold flow. The level of precision and skill is incredible. It is so amazing, I would actually like to try it myself. But I'd rather watch it for free. It's like a high-flying tribute to their country.
هلا مرة ما شاء الله نيك الرحمة.
But no, it is not. Is this some kind of natural phenomenon? Or did someone spill a giant bottle of bubble bath? Whatever it is, it's totally trippy and mesmerizing. Mother Nature is amazing. This is not your average stroll through the park, folks. You may want to run really fast. That's a whole lot of mud coming down there. It's amazing and terrifying at the same time. Reminds us of just how powerful Mother Nature can be. Holy iceberg. Did you see that? That's Mother Nature flexing her muscles, folks. It's like a scene straight out of a disaster movie, but this is real. It's a powerful reminder of how small we are compared to the forces of nature. And it's also a wake-up call about climate change. We gotta protect these incredible places, people.
Ouch! Uh-oh.
Hey, awesome viewers. What a wild ride through the wonders of our world, right? From cheeky elephants to mudslides and crashing glaciers, it's clear that Mother Nature is full of surprises. If you loved this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing content, and don't forget to drop a comment below telling us your favorite moment. And remember, folks, this incredible planet is our home. Let's do our part to protect it. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.
Alright, that's one of the